Hey Gems! Welcome back to our channel.
I'm Saffiya.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're
your skincare experts. So for today's video, we're going to be showing you guys our nightly skincare regimen. So we're just going to show you the process of it all and give you tips and tricks on what we do for ourselves.
And we're going to be using all of our products that we showed you in the previous video for our MASKNE.
So for our first step of our nighttime routine, we will be using micellar water to take off our makeup. And yes,
you do that a lot.
And yes, I do wear makeup only for videos. I personally do not wear makeup on a day-to-day basis just because for me personally, I don't like to wear makeup, but occasionally for like special effects or for whatever I'll wear it.
And the way you use this product is first you're going to give it a shake and then you're going to use your cotton round, put it on there and remove your makeup. I'm going to go ahead and grab some. Saturate it really nicely. Nice.
On my leg too. So just go ahead and remove.
I'm wearing mascara, so I'm going to do that first and I'm going to let it just sit on my mascara for a couple seconds before I wipe it away. This is not a waterproof mascara, so it's going to be a lot easier to take off, but it does remove waterproof mascara as well.
And just make sure, guys, that you're being very gentle with your skin.
Especially that eye area, no rough dragging. Be very gentle.
Dragging. And if you can, make sure to go in upwards motions. And for the guys out there around the beard area, it's best to move downwards just so you don't get the cotton stuck on the stubble.
And like we talked about earlier in our previous video too, the micellar water does not clog your pores. I'm sure you guys have noticed like eye makeup removers are really greasy and oily. This one is non-comedogenic, so it's not gonna clog your pores.
But I did not wash my face last night to try to break out a little bit so we can really test out these products, but and you'll see in our later video of us with our results from the skincare regimen, so tune in for that. Always try to make sure to close your products immediately after, just to lower any chance of any bacteria getting in there.
Also just oxidation, it makes the products less potent.
And if you bring your makeup down to your neck, don't forget your neck.
So now for the most part, we're makeup free and ready to dive into our cleanser.
Clinique, all about clean cleanser. Guys, don't use too much cleanser. About a quarter size.
So kind of just lather in your hands, get your hands a little bit wet, and then lather it again.
Then you're ready to apply it to the skin. Remember guys, don't be too harsh on your skin. Love it. And for any areas that you have a little bit of congestion or some active breakouts, just spend a little bit more time massaging it.
I like to really massage in those little baby hairs in my forehead and chin area, or jawline area I should say.
And for me, something really important to clean is around the nose area right here.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and start removing mine. If you don't have a sponge, your hands are perfectly fine to remove the cleanser with.
We just don't have a sink in front of us right now, so we're doing it the facial style.
So we have not exfoliated in a couple days, so we're going to go ahead and do our next step as our exfoliator. And we're going to use the Body Shop Squeaky Clean Scrub. Again, not too much, just maybe like, I want to say a nickel size. Wet it with a little bit of water, get a nice little lather in there, and then just kind of pat it onto all the areas, and then start cleansing. Now this is the one where you're going to do a lot of those circular motions, get that tea tree oil in there, cleaning out the pores, cleaning all the bacteria.
And I absolutely love the smell of tea tree oil.
Yeah, it's almost like relaxing.
It's so relaxing. And tea tree is actually an antiviral too. So if you use it in a diffuser, trap yourself in a room when you're sick, you'll heal a little bit faster.
If you have a diffuser too, it actually keeps insects out of your room. Alright, let's go ahead and start removing it. Why are you smiling?
Oh, it looked like you almost threw that, but you like twisted it like...
Really? I'm just so good with it, you know? It's like this is my tool, guys. I know how to use this sponge backwards, frontwards.
Sideways like that. So this is us, guys.
Oh my god, it feels such a cooling, refreshing.
Just cooling, honestly. It feels really nice.
Very cooling and refreshing.
Brand new skin. So now that we've exfoliated our face, we're going to move on to our toner, the mattifying clay toner. So like we said earlier, this is going to help to pull out any impurities from the skin. With this one, you want to make sure to shake it very well because the clay does settle at the bottom, so you want to make sure that the entire bottle is infused with all the ingredients. And then we'll go ahead and pour it onto
our cotton round.
Cotton round, and it's closed. You really want to saturate your cotton round, guys.
So as you guys know, we removed our makeup, we cleansed with our cleanser, we exfoliated, and now we're doing our toner. And we're going to show you what is actually left on the skin after all those steps that we did.
All those steps, because you think, after all that, my skin is good, my skin is clean. It's a lie.
That's why toners are really important, not just in returning that skin pH balance back to its normal, but getting any excess stuff that you may have left. I'm liking the way this toner is feeling. It feels really like smooth, like almost like creamy in a way. All right, so here's mine. As you can see, there's still makeup on there.
I'm just kidding. Mine's just as bad.
See guys, toner is important. It's effective. It does good stuff.
You need toner.
Oh my god, my skin feels super like,
it feels very
just like squeaky
clean
and polished.
I guess that's why they call the scrub a squeaky clean scrub. So I know my skin, and my skin is feeling just a tad bit dry, so I want to replenish it by using the facial spray by Mario Badescu. So the aloe, cucumber, and green tea is really just going to help to get the hydration I need back to my face.
And our next product that we're going to dive into is going to be our spot treatment. And we're going to do the Tula Go Away Acne Spot Treatment. This one is the one that has the 5% benzoyl peroxide.
I'm really excited for this one.
So just make sure your hands are clean. I mean, we just washed our face and did everything. Just make sure they're clean. You didn't touch anything else. And I'm going to just apply on the back of my hand a little bit, the amount that I need. Just
because although we did cleanse our face, you still don't want to touch this to your skin because of the potential bacteria that can transfer onto this and can really contaminate it.
So this one also has a niacinamides and the licorice root, which is going to help brighten any pigmentation from after the breakouts. So right now I don't really have any breakouts, but I do have some pigmentation from breakouts. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. And you just spot treat. You don't have to have a lot, just do a thin layer because you guys want this to dry. And that's what they call it, spot treating. Just getting those little spots with your little spot treatment.
And I actually do have quite a few spots going on right now. So I have this little bad boy that popped up this morning from not washing my face for this video specifically. Ooh, he's angry. And I'm really just gonna focus this around my maskne area because that's ultimately where I have been suffering from.
For faster drying time. So now that our spot treatment has all dried, we're gonna go ahead and do our serum. And again, this is the Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Solution. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on and let it really soak into the skin. And with serums, you wanna do about a dime size. If you need more, you can always grab more.
The way you wanna apply this is pat it into the skin.
We don't ever let our applicators touch our skin. We don't wanna put any bacteria into our products and making them rancid.
Rancid, disgusting. You can also do some light patting on your skin to help stimulate your collagen production.
Also, that creates heat, which is really good for product penetration. You want to avoid the eye area also with this product. This is just from the bottom of the cheeks. You start there.
To the forehead.
You would also get your neck too, like in your chin area.
Let it sit for 60 seconds. I feel like a dog.
I do it again.
So after you've applied your serum and have let it sit for about 60 seconds, your next step would be your moisturizer. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense. So in order to prevent any contamination, like we said before, we're going to use spatulas just to scoop it out and prevent any contamination.
Thank you.
And just a small amount, about dime size. Or a quarter. My skin doesn't need that much.
It's about a nickel.
Yours is like a dollar bill coin.
Just grab enough, guys. However you feel like, you know, you need moisture, just not too much, and don't forget your neck.
Don't forget your neck, please. Remember, go upwards with your neck, because we already have gravity going against us.
Kind of hard to go upward in my hijab, but I'm just trying to go sideways. I think you're right, grab too much. Also avoid the eye areas with your moisturizer. That eye area is just really thin.
Really delicate.
We don't want to clog the pores. We don't want any kind of milia buildup. And our last product, we're gonna go ahead and hydrate our lips with our goat milk and honey 100% natural lip balm. Oh yeah, it does look good.
Looks like a glue stick.
It smells amazing.
It smells really good.
Tastes good too. Soothes, protects, and nourishes. It's really nice. When you go to sleep with your lips moisturized and hydrated, you're gonna wake up with really nice hydrated lips.
I feel nice.
It feels so much better.
I feel so much better. A lot of the products that we were using is for acne, for MASKNE. So it does tend to be a little bit drying to the skin, but if you have the right products, then you will be able to replenish the skin of the hydration.
And just like we said earlier, be smart, think about what your skin needs. If you're feeling that you want to skip that clay toner that day, just go ahead and use a hydrating toner. Don't use it every day. If you're feeling too dry, don't exfoliate that day. Exfoliate another day. You know, just do the double cleansing with the regular mild cleanser.
So what do you think?
First of all, doing all the cleansing and everything, I felt really polished and just really clean and purified. And my skin was kind of on the dry side, but after putting the moisturizer on, I feel just fully replenished now.
I feel like my skin's ready to take on anything. MASKNE who? Alright, we'll see you guys next time for our morning routine. Coming soon.
We hope you guys liked our video. Let us know in the comments down below if you guys want to see anything else. If you have any questions about this demonstration, please let us know.
Please be safe and stay hydrated.
Until next time, gems.
Self-love,
Self-care,
skincare.
Why didn't you say it with me?
I don't know.
Oh, you little... That's why, because we never have it there. If we have it there, we'll get used to not looking at it. So put it back.
You think so?
I think so.
Night. What?
I was smiling like this. Whew.
That had nothing to do.
Mine's very... Why is mine white and yours is not, Brian? What are you talking about? I look like an old lady now. You're not ugly, Ryan. You're naturally nice. I'm using some of yours now.
Did you hear that, guys? Naturally nice. So again, to prevent any contamination, we're gonna use some sticks to
Spatulas. I pitched you.